All right, welcome back to another K-pop reaction. My name is YZ.
I'm Maya.
We're back, man. So we saw you guys in the comments talking about AMAZIING, and that was on the list, but I didn't realize that they were, I guess, closer acquainted with who we reacted to last time with ENHYPEN. So this is gonna be our AMAZIING reaction. Just some notes that I have. There's 9 members. They debuted December 2022.
Okay.
And AMAZIING and ENHYPEN's lore are deeply connected through a webtoon that they have, like a story, I guess they have. Like somebody, I don't know, they made it and put them together, and I don't know. That's interesting.
Like, was it like a fictional webtoon type of group
Yeah.
at first? And then they made it like a real thing?
Or is it based off of them?
I don't know.
Dang, yeah, y'all let us know, because that would be interesting if either way, to be honest, whether it's based off them or if they went off that concept.
And then went with it.
Yeah, that would be interesting.
That's very different. I'm noticing, like, with the K-pop world, how they create these lores around these groups. Like, I don't know, I never experienced something like that. Like the ENHYPEN with their vampire lore.
Yeah.
And then you said there's another group I think we're gonna watch soon that has like a werewolf lore.
Yeah, that's them.
Oh, so they're like the werewolf lore plus it was like a webtoon.
Yeah. I don't know how deep the werewolf thing is with them. I don't know if it's like as strong as the vampire thing, but that was alluded to in the comments by a few of y'all, which we appreciate y'all and your infinite K-pop wisdom, you know, helps us, you know where we're going in next sometimes to see what we can do. But the first song we're gonna do is Firework. The song has 10 million views on the official music video 2 years ago.
Okay, bet.
Let's go.
Let's see, N-Team. Okay, here we go. Wait.
Okay. Like the synths, the 80s vibe going on.
I'm liking the sound.
Now, I like this.
Yeah, it feel intimate too.
I do.
This has a Twilight vibe to it. The gray skies and the truck and being at the beach and stuff.
Oh.
I never seen nobody do that before. Throw a cake.
Oh, okay.
Lit up. Man, I love the energy in this song, man.
Me too. I'm feeling it.
Oh. Could be like Teen Wolf. How Allison was a
Oh, with the shooter?
Yeah.
Yeah, the arrows.
He find out that the girl he actually liked comes from a family that kills werewolves or something.
Yeah.
Dang, because he got that shot on her.
Oh, I didn't watch Teen Wolf, so.
Right, yeah, you did say that. I shouldn't have said nothing.
No, you're good. I mean, I don't think we were. Was that on the reaction list?
No, it's not, but
Yeah, you
I
good.
feel bad. That's a very major plot point of the whole entire show.
Sound like it.
Yeah.
Spoiler alert.
Yeah, my
Hey, you
bad.
good.
It's been years since that show been out, but I'm sorry for everybody I just ruined that for. That's first season though. It's like first couple episodes.
Man, I love this.
Somebody shooting at him? Man,
That
was a good
bored,
one.
man.
Yeah.
Dang.
Yeah. Let's see.
It's not over.
They on the beach.
They gonna sleep in a group.
First howling.
Oh. Giving us a little something else.
I like this guitar a lot.
The moon. Beautiful. Yeah, that song was
Man, that felt powerful, intimate, youthful.
great
All
words. Yeah, felt like all of that. Wow, they're just hitting us with it.
Yeah, they going in with that. They like, nah, we gonna make sure that it's known.
Yeah.
We gonna make sure that y'all know this is what we do.
Is this
Yeah,
like
they
our
not
first?
playing.
It's like our first time watching a K-pop group where it's like the opposite sex. It's like in the music video.
Nah, cause Illit, they had a dude in there,
They did.
and then
I feel like we don't usually see that. Like it just be like the group you're watching.
We're guys.
yeah, like
see what you're saying.
The male group, yeah. I don't. Well, in the ATs, we saw the women marching people.
Oh yeah, we did see that.
And we might be forgetting something Stray Kids related to.
Guess I'm comparing it to like the West with music videos back in the day. It was always
Right.
a female lead. I mean, not female, a female character going along with the whole storyline.
Yeah.
Or the opposite sometimes, even if it's a female.
Yeah.
But anyways,
That
yeah.
was dope. We're gonna check
Or
out
a
the
woman.
lyrics just so we can get the whole essence of Firework in its entirety. Because I'm sure that's definitely a metaphor for something.
Yeah, probably light up like a firework, like you said, or something.
Yeah.
I can just feel your whole aura with this song. Ooh, not that good. I don't know how you can't like this song.
No, that's such a great song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
It's an amazingly good song, especially
The
with
lyrics
the way
are good too.
Yeah.
And
For sure.
oh my
the
goodness.
sense in it. It's perfect. It's a great song. That's a pretty good introduction.
Yeah.
That's probably one of the best introductions so far.
I really like that one.
Dang.
I like the video. I like the different things they pulled in. We're not in the story, and I like that. It's kind of like all right, keep watching the video so you can see what's going on. That was good. It reminded me of this one show from the UK, Wolf Blood, especially the mud wrestling and football aspect scenes of it. Reminds me of that show, which is about werewolves too. So they might have even looked at that for the video. Let's see. So the second song we're doing is Deer Hunter.
Deer Hunter.
That's an interesting name for a
Yeah,
song.
It
I was
is.
just about to say that.
6.7 million views.
Heck yeah.
See, Deer Hunter. All right, they outside.
Let's see.
I want to see them turn into werewolves.
They just might this time.
Something called Deer Hunter. That scared me a little.
Yeah, like, I don't know why, me too.
Like, that
I was like, wait,
shift
what?
in transformation.
Oh snap! What we? Oh,
Oh, I was not expecting this.
hold on.
Yeah, they tried to trick us with that one.
Yeah, I did.
They tried to trick us with that. I didn't know where the beat was going, but for it to go there, thank you. Good job, producers. I appreciate that very thoroughly.
Yeah, good little switch up for
Yeah,
real though.
that was dope.
Dang. You think it's about to be all?
I don't know what I thought
like,
it was gonna be.
It got like a super mysterious vibe.
I didn't know. The next thing you know, they doing them wide squats. Or just spreading their legs. That was cool. I love that move.
But we see the arrow and everything, deer hunting. Okay.
All right. I'm feeling this beat.
That was cool.
Ooh.
Oh.
Nah, they were smooth with it.
Definitely smooth.
He hit that. All right, here we go. Yeah, I like this song too, y'all.
Man, these dudes grooving.
This video is dope too.
Yeah, all the different effects.
I love this part. Come on, werewolves. I love music where you just can't help but move.
2 for 2.
Yeah.
For me, man, I'm intrigued with the way that the production is going on these.
It was 4 minutes?
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, I know they got this at the end. And,
Okay,
you know,
let's see what's going on real quick.
Yeah.
the song is not that long though.
I like it went by quick.
Oh, they just going.
Yeah.
Hit us with that lore
The song
again.
wasn't that long, man.
The Witch of Urasa.
I don't know what that means. We're gonna see what these lyrics talking about, man.
Was not expecting.
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Oh, you right.
Yeah, we gotta guess what this song means.
You right. We
I
ain't-
forgot.
we ain't do that.
So, okay, we saw the symbolism with the bow and arrow.
Yeah.
You know, some archery going on.
Deer Hunter is the name.
But I don't see why they wouldn't just like, you know what I'm saying? Get them. Why they would use a tool to hunt.
Deer hunter. What? Okay, so when you think of a deer, what do you typically think of? Like the energy signature of a deer.
Deer is, you know, they're alert for sure. Definitely alert. Definitely very graceful, innocent creatures.
Yeah.
They appear that way. You know, I'm sure there's some deer that are
Mean.
mean, but that's overall, that's kind of what they give off. You know, the deer spirit is one of great intelligence and a natural, innocent, and pure spirit. But if
Yeah.
they're hunting that,
Yeah, so maybe even though werewolves supposed to be warm-blooded, right?
yeah, they're mammals.
So them hunting deer make them cold-blooded? I don't know. All right, yeah. I'm trying to come up with a concept.
It could,
I see where you're
You
going.
Yeah.
get what I'm saying?
yeah.
Yeah.
Because, you know, they got the glaciers, you got ice in the video. You're not wrong about a cold.
True.
Or they can't help what they are.
There is that.
Yeah, the
But you
deer
know
hunter.
what, though? It could also be them trying to keep the innocence inside themselves, too. Maybe by
and trying to
using a
catch
tool.
that.
Yeah, instead of like, all right, let me give in to the nature of this. I'm going to still do this, but I'm going to use a tool. I don't know. I don't know what it is. The beat knocking, though. That's what I'm gonna do.
Or them trying to catch their innocence.
Maybe. I don't know what it could be.
But the beat rock.
He said the beat right for real.
This part got me.
Yeah. I was like, whoa.
I was like, what?
You became a girl, homie? But no, he just got real striking features.
I got that light, you know, the way the
Yeah.
light hit him.
Bro, I did not even hear him say that.
Nope. That was pretty literal.
Yeah, that's what it seemed like. Oh, hunt down. Okay.
Okay, so they're just talking about, yeah.
I did not hear every time.
They're like, yeah, we're coming for you.
Yeah, it sound like they about to tear that deer up.
Right.
I like that what they saying is hunt down.
Okay. Yeah, it's about that, but it's also about something else. I get it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I should have guessed by the dancing. I should have guessed. I don't know why I didn't.
I love that part.
Yeah, it's so artistic.
Yeah. I don't know why I didn't guess that. And the beat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have guessed that.
And it's poetic though.
Yeah, it is. They're like, yeah, we hunting girls. Or women. Because I'm sure they're adults.
Nah, this hard.
Yep.
Hey.
Yes. I was like, give it to me one more time.
Right.
Let's do this part.
That purple, man, I like that purple.
Color grading going crazy.
Yeah,
Really good. What'd you say, YZ? 2 for 2?
2 for 2, for sure. 2 for 2.
And these boys on a run.
They are.
That was a nice.
That was a good one. I like that I was surprised about it though too.
The last song is Back to Life, and I believe this is their debut song. If
Okay.
I'm not mistaken.
Don't it say 1 month ago?
Oh yeah, I do.
Or I'm looking at somebody else's thing. Let me see. Oh, my bad. My notes say their official Korean debut is Back to Life.
Oh.
And it was,
wait, what?
They were doing Japanese music in Japanese before that. Was that in Japanese the whole entire time? And I didn't even realize that?
Is that why it had that certain feeling to it?
I don't know.
Where it felt like an anime and what you call it? Firework?
Maybe.
Dang.
Yeah, a lot of stuff going
Well,
on.
this one is 37 million. Dang, okay, that went up.
Yeah, it did.
On that one.
I'm actually surprised it didn't get more views with the other videos.
It made sense that it was Japanese. It probably was it considered K-pop then? I don't know. Probably not.
Yeah, maybe.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, the last one, Back to Life, their Korean debut.
They called me a monster.
They did.
What you do?
They called him a werewolf.
He was
Depends
killing
on
these
what you
beats.
did.
They gonna lay in a circle, man.
Like ooh,
They gonna lay in a circle.
werewolves, I guess.
Oh, they got a
Oh,
lot
bodies
of
on
people.
bodies, huh?
Ooh. Okay. Look is that?
Yeah,
Yo, get your
look
mind.
crazy.
What?
Oh.
Heck no.
I didn't know what I was looking
That's
at.
what I used to be
Oh.
thinking was in my room when I didn't want to go to sleep when I was young.
Hold on, do we have to go back?
No.
Now that I think about it, I don't want to go back because I see. No, stop.
I see, I don't know what I saw. I know it's the werewolf like motif and everything, but I didn't see a werewolf back there. I saw a shadow figure, bro.
Yeah, but, I don't know.
Moving on the
That's
ground, crazy.
Yeah, bro was doing all types of. That's what you be thinking about when you don't want to touch the floor after a scary movie. You like, man, I don't know about that one.
I mean, if y'all want to go back,
It's gonna pop up again, I'm sure.
yeah. I mean, we are reactors. I gotta put my
Yeah, I just don't
my
know
big
what I
woman
saw.
pants on.
Yeah, like
Oh, it's just somebody doing stuff.
Hell no. Oh no.
Yeah.
multiple of them now.
What is that?
Got a little dove. Oh, and it went back.
Ooh.
It seemed like they fighting against something too.
Wow. His face is like very striking.
Oh, that was
Oh.
turning into them figures in the shadows.
Ooh,
Even bro scared.
Oh.
Oh, that's something different though.
I mean, like Spider-Man, Venom.
Right.
Oh no. Yeah, I like when they do that. Ooh.
Oh,
What is that? Like,
oh no.
He got brought back to life.
You're like,
Yeah,
bro,
after
I
going
got
through something
you,
like
bro.
that, you my homie forever.
right. Yeah, I felt like you were having a bad dream, bro. Nah,
Okay.
that video was dope, man.
Yeah.
Real dope. I like them.
Oh.
You know, they different.
They about to have something again. Let's see.
Something else for us.
Yeah.
They done. Yeah,
They actually don't
okay.
this time.
Yeah.
I say about this one.
They proved me wrong.
Because this one might be my one. I like this one a lot.
I can't do that part, but I love that.
They called me a monster.
Yeah. I noticed how bad I be sounding on this mic. I won't even
I'm
do
so
it to
sorry, y'all. I'm not a vocalist.
That's a hard jacket, too.
you. Yeah, it got like a Crollo vibe to it. Oh, only you bring me back to life.
Yeah, man. After hearing this again the second time, I'm like, yep.
And the way that the drums are in the back, I felt it as soon as the song came
Yes.
on.
I like his part a lot.
It's kind of a motivational song too.
That's what the drums do, yeah.
It's like you could fight and make it through.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is hard.
If only I could hit that note.
We could try after.
I'm not trying with this mic again. Oh no.
Push me to the edge. This is real life.
Do it. Good job.
Nah, this second time around.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I knew the first time, this time. This time I knew when those drums came in the first time that this was like that one. You gonna give me that jacket?
Hell no.
I
I only said that because the way he turned his head.
Right? He was looking like, nah.
Crazy.
Man, what size is that jacket? My size.
Honestly, all the songs are even, bro.
Yeah, they
No,
don't.
I like Back to Life more than all the songs. I like Back to Life more than.
And I get,
But I get what you're saying though.
I get what you're saying because I like to embody this in life. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
Back to Life, yeah.
But they all just great songs.
They're all
though.
great songs.
This one just got more of an edgier energy, but I don't know. They're such an intimate group though. I rock with them.
I'm very impressed with them because I thought Hyping was like.
But in Hyping still, they got a certain swag to them.
Yeah.
These dudes a little bit more edgy, more intimate, and Hyping just like smooth, bro.
For me, I'm not gonna knock hyping out of a certain place because the way they make me feel off rip.
Yeah.
I was like a proud auntie. When I get to a proud auntie feeling with somebody in a group, like I was like wanting to hype them up in real life. But no, this group is really good though too. I don't want to compare those two groups yet because I haven't seen all their full catalog. But no, they were really good. I agree with both of y'all and what y'all said. Like the Back to Life song was really good, but then I agree with you too, Rise. Where with all the songs I heard, it's not like a huge difference in like the quality of the experience per se. I don't know. They're cool.
But this song do embody their energy a lot though. Man, there's so many factors.
Yeah, YZ, I know you knew off rip. I felt your aura too with the
when those drums came in on that song, I was like, nah, they solidified it for me. That was 3 for 3. They didn't have a song that I wasn't into from the get-go. Like they had a certain sound where I'm like, dang, even the first one with the more synthy 80s vibe of Firework, I was into that right out the gate.
Off rip.
You know what I'm saying? And then Deer Hunter, I'm like, dang, that's everything about it. And then this one, for it to just, it felt like a triumphant, like, oh, they got me with that, man.
I hear you.
They got me with that. I gotta go with Back to Life as my #1 song. Just for the video, because they're all great, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go Back to Life, and then I'm gonna go Firework, then I'm gonna go Deer Hunter. But they're all great.
That's valid.
No, that's
honestly
valid.
They're all great in succession with each other, but just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do it like that. Man, thank you guys, because you guys just gave me one of my new favorite songs from that. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you. If you guys like the video, go ahead and like the video, man. Leave a comment, subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Patreon.
Shout outs to you patrons.
I'll see y'all next time.